Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 29 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exams. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous two questions. We have to answer it first. Okay, our first question was, who has won best drama series at International Emmy Award? Delhi Crime, Ashram, Play 5, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option A, Delhi Crime. Netflix show Delhi Crime has won the best drama series award at the 48 International Emmy Award 2020. Okay, remember the series name, it is Delhi Crime. Okay, our second question was, who has launched historic Chang'e 5 mission to collect lunar sample? India, China, Japan, or option D, Brazil? Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is China. Okay, recently China has launched a historic mission Chang'e 5 to the moon to collect the first lunar sample. Okay, China is in news. The capital of China is Beijing. Renminbi is the currency of the China, and Xi Jinping is the president of China. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is, what is the rank of India in FIFA ranking 2020? 108, 104, 112, or option D, 110? The correct answer here is option B, 104. In FIFA ranking 2020, India's rank is 104. Okay, the Indian national team have moved up a spot to 104 in the latest FIFA ranking. Okay. Next question. Which country successfully test fired Sarkon hypersonic missile in the Arctic? Russia, Japan, America, or option D, India? The correct answer here is Russia. So option A is correct here. Recently, Russia successfully test fired a Sarkon hypersonic cruise missile in the Arctic. Okay, you can see here the image of the Sarkon hypersonic missile. Okay, Russia is in use. The capital of Russia is Moscow. Russian ruble is the currency of Russia, and Vladimir Putin is the president of Russia. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. India's GDP contracted by how much percentage according to NSO? -6%, -7%, -7.5%, or option D, -9%? NSO, first the abbreviation of NSO is National Statistical Office. Okay, and the answer here is option C, -7.5%. Recently, NSO, the National Statistical Office, has released the estimates of the GDP for the second quarter. It's showing the contraction of the -7.5% GDP. Okay, remember the name, it is released by NSO, National Statistical Office. Due to it is contraction due to the COVID-19. Okay, coronavirus, the pandemic. So the GDP contraction of the second quarter is -7.5%. Okay, next question. Indian Army has launched cycling expedition in which state? Gujarat, Rajasthan, option C, both A and B, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option C, both A and B. Okay, recently Indian Army launched cycling expedition in Gujarat and Rajasthan about 1971 kilometer. Okay, 1971 kilometer to celebrate the golden jubilee of the victory of Indo-Pakistan War, Indo-Pak War 1971. To remember the Indo-Pak War 1971, the cycling expedition is also 1971 kilometer. Okay, next question. Question number 5. Cambridge Dictionary has named which word as word of the year 2020? Quarantine, lockdown, COVID, or option D, corona? Which word is the named as the word of the year 2020? The answer here is quarantine. Option A is correct here. Okay. This remember, this question is very much important. Okay. Cambridge Dictionary has named quarantine as word of the year 2020 because it was one of the most highly searched word on the Cambridge Dictionary in this year 2020. Okay. It is the most searchable word in Cambridge Dictionary in this year. Okay. Quarantine. Remember the word. Okay. Next question. Who has launched India Climate Change Knowledge Portal? Narendra Modi, Prakash Javadekar, Amit Shah, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is option B, Prakash Javadekar. Recently, Minister of Environment, Forest and Climate Change, Prakash Javadekar, has launched the India Climate Change Knowledge Portal. Okay, you can see here the image of Prakash Javadekar launching the India Climate Change Knowledge Portal. Okay. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated highway projects in which states? Recently, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, or option D, West Bengal. The correct answer here is it is launched in Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Recently, Union Minister Nitin Gadkari has inaugurated the foundation stone of 16 national highway project in Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is in news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. And remember, Lucknow is situated in the river bank of Gomti. In Gomti. Okay. The capital is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath. And Anandiben Patel is the governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. In which state the rare Nagarjuna Vesha of Lord Jagannath was held? Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Jharkhand, or option D, Chhattisgarh. The famous Lord Jagannath temple is situated in Puri and it is in Odisha. Okay, recently the rare Nagarjuna Vesha of the Lord Jagannath was held in Puri in Odisha. Okay, you can see here Lord Jagannath in Nagarjuna Vesha. It is expected that this Vesha will be held in 25 years. In it 25 years gap. Okay. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik and Governor is Professor Ganeshi Lal. Okay. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. In which state clinical trial of third phase of Covaxin started on 27 November? Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Rajasthan, or option D, Punjab? The correct answer here is Madhya Pradesh. So option A is correct here. Recently in Madhya Pradesh, the clinical trial of the third phase of the Covaxin started on 27 November 2020. Okay, Madhya Pradesh is in news. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan and Anandiben Patel is the governor of also Madhya Pradesh because Lalji Tandon passed away and Anandiben Patel is appointed by President Ramnath Kovind of both governor of Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Remember these questions. Next question. In Madhya Pradesh, solar power generation will be increased from 5,000 megawatt to how many megawatt? 8, 7, 10 or option D 15. The correct answer here is option C 10. Recently in Madhya Pradesh, solar power generation will be increased from 5,000 megawatt to 10,000 megawatt. Okay, it is in Madhya Pradesh. I hope you got the facts also now. As per you know, this is our question of the day and you have to give the answer in our comment section and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, who is elected as new chairman of ICC? Our second question is, who is appointed as new engineer in chief of Indian Army? Please try to answer more in comment section, thereby regular practice is done by you. And mention one thing in the comment section today that along with your answer that for which examination, for which competitive examination you are preparing. Those who regularly visit Educational Wing, please comment in the comment section. Okay, for which examination you are preparing. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. Thank you. Have a great day.